Annapolis has 227 homes for sale, priced between $149,900 and $24,900,000. 27 new listings came to market since last week. 17 are coming soon, and 36 are temporarily off the market. Rental opportunities go fast. There are 27 homes for lease from $1,525 to $3,695. It's the day after Thanksgiving, Friday, November 27, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Annapolis. 21401 has 109 homes for sale. In the past week, 8 homes were listed as coming soon, 12 went active, 10 went under contract, 4 went pending, and 18 have sold since last Friday, with sellers getting 99.6% list price in 6 median days. 21403 has a total of 74 homes for sale, 5 recently listed as coming soon, 11 are newly active, 7 went under contract, 5 moved to pending, and 17 homes sold since last Friday in a 6 median days at 100% of list price. 21409 has a total of 43 for sale, 4 new coming soon, 4 are new to the market, 2 went under contract, 3 went to pending, 11 homes closed since last Friday, and an average of 11 days at 99.9% of list. Overall, the activity is on par with what we have been seeing coming on the market and going under contract. Forecasts indicate the interest rate will remain low going into the new year, providing buyer opportunities. The spring market starts in our area around January 15th. Should winter be mild, buyer activity may continue at the current pace. This means the seller's market will likely continue into the early part of next year. So if you are thinking about selling, don't wait for the late spring, April, or May. Give me a call at 443-837-5645 to find out how to best position your home for today's market. Also, be sure to follow us on social media or subscribe to our podcast. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, November 27, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great Thanksgiving weekend, and I'll be here next Friday.